Hello, and it's day 13 of the 28-day gratitude challenge, and today's topic is make all your wishes come true. Writer Norman Vincent Peale said this: imagination is a true magic carpet. If you've been doing your gratitudes up until now, you should be happier. You should be more aware of things that you can be grateful for. And if you showed your kids the glad game, then hopefully they should be happier too. But for centuries, native cultures have had elaborate ceremonies to show thanks for what they want before they get it. American Indians have rain dances and they have ceremonies for rain. African tribes show thanks for their food before they hunt for it so that they can show thanks before they receive it. The law of attraction says that like attracts like, which means you must form in your mind an image or of what you want. Then, to attract your desire, you have to feel as though it's yours. It's already happened. And the very words in the Holy Scripture promise exactly that. Whoever is grateful now will be given more in the future, and he or she will have an abundance. So gratitude is something that you must have before you can receive, not something that you simply do after something good has happened. Showing gratitude before and after is really paramount. So what we're going to do today is you are going to make a list of your top 10 desires. What is it that you really, really want? Is it that new car or a vacation or a new house, a bigger house, or whatever that might be? You can focus on 10 different areas of your life, or you can just focus on your career and do all of your desires in that area. It's up to you. But you can do it on your computer, which could be a little bit faster, or you can do it by hand and pull your journal, pen and paper out and start writing. But you're going to be very specific, and you're going to start off each one. You're going to do one at a time, of course, but you're going to start each one with thank you, thank you, thank you, as if you've already received it. And here are some examples. Thank you, thank you, thank you for our dream home, which has everything we wanted it to have, down to the last detail. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the amazing phone call with my dad that has improved our relationship. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the medical results that show I am all clear and healthy again. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the ideas that want us our biggest client yet. So why saying thank you 3 times? Rhonda says saying thank you 3 times is also a magical formula because it is our mathematical number of all new creation in the universe. For example, it takes 1 male and 1 female to create a baby. The male, female, and baby total 3, completing a new creation. So after you've done your list one at a time and you want to be specific, the second step to making these wishes come true is to ask yourself 3 questions. Now I'm going to put these 3 questions up in the body of the post so that you don't have to write while I talk. But the 3 questions are this. Number 1, what emotions did you feel when you received your desire? When you imagine this, it really kind of anchors it in and it makes it feel real. Who was the first person you told when you received your desire, and how did you tell them? Imagining that really makes it more real, and you really anchor it in more. And number 3 is, what is the first great thing you did when you received your desire? Include as much detail as you can. So another thing that you can do is create a vision board. And that's, a lot of people do that. It can be either just for yourself, or you can make it a family project and the kids can get involved and they can put a picture of that new bike that they want for Christmas or for their birthday. And you put it somewhere in your home where you're going to see it often. And the title across the top in big, bold letters is thank you, thank you, thank you. So it's a long list of things to do today, but first you're going to do your normal gratitudes for the things around you. And then you're going to sit down to your computer or pen and paper and write down one at a time your top 10 desires, starting off with thank you, thank you, thank you, and give it some meaning. Make it specific. And then you're going to ask yourself those 3 questions and really anchor that in and feel the emotion behind what you would feel like or how you would act or what you would do once you receive this desire of yours. So, and then if you want to make the magic board or your vision board, then you can also do that. And then before you go to sleep tonight, remember to always think of the best thing that happened to you that day and go to sleep on that. And wake up in the morning, when you open your eyes, say thank you, thank you, thank you before you do anything else. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you tomorrow.